So in this video, we will learn about the select element in HTML. So before doing that, what I'll do, I will just, let's comment it out. I will just comment out many of the things which we have currently right now. So this one as well, the age input, the label input, and email. And then we have this username. Okay, so we have all of that, but here also we will comment out the text area as well. So we will have only the button. If I just go here, so we have this only the button. Okay, so let's learn about the select element in HTML. Many of the times you have selected many of the things inside of the website, right? You have selected the shirt size or something like that. So I will go with the t-shirt size example here. So let's add a label first of all, and label for t size. Okay, so t-shirt size. Okay, so this is the label, and now here this element is a little bit complicated, so let's go one by one. So we will create the select element here, select, and here if I press enter, so we have this name and the ID. So name will be t size and the ID will be the t size as well. Both are identical, but they do not has to be, right? Okay, just this ID, like this label for, and the ID has to be the same. Now inside of that, okay, let's save it out and then go to the browser and see. So as you can see, this is our label, and when I click on it, this is getting selected, and there is nothing currently right now because there is no options to select. So let's go here, and now inside of this select element, we have to use the option element. So option, okay, here we have this value attribute, which I am coming to it in a bit. But here what we can do something like small, something like that, and we can create multiple options. But just do this, and here as you can see, we have our option which is currently at small. So there is only one option. So go to the code once again, just duplicate that. So let's go the medium. Okay, and then go large, and then extra large, large, and hit save and go to the browser. So here now we have all of the options which we have written inside of HTML, and when I click on it, this option is getting selected. But we are missing something. This is the thing which we are currently seeing inside of our browser. But when we submit the form, what value it should be sending? So that value has to be go here, associated with that particular option. Okay, so if, for example, what I want is that when the user selects small, so I will just add the value to S. When the user selects medium, to then M, this will be L, and this will be XL. Okay, so the value here can be different than this. This is the text which will be displayed to the user, but this value is the value which will be sent to the server or the backend when the form is getting submitted. Okay, so let's check it out then. So let's save everything and go to the browser, and here the small is selected by default. So let's select the medium. Okay, and then if I submit the form by using this click me button, so okay, let's grab this. Again, our form action is set to example.com. That is why it is redirected to the example.com. But if I just go here and then comment it out, and then here, as you can see, what is the value? So this t size is the name of the select element which we are getting. And what is the value? Because I have selected the medium size, so the value is M. So if the user has selected this large size, then the value should be L, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this text will be shown to the user, and this value which corresponds to that particular text will be sent when the form is being submitted. All right, so this is the select element in HTML.